A former Pakistani military official says the biggest beneficiary of the Russia-Ukraine conflict is the United States. According to a lieutenant general of the Pakistan Army, the US is using its military might as an instrument for the domination of the world.
USA and the West are trying to achieve their geopolitical ends through Ukraine. If you are talking about the beneficiaries of the war, beneficiaries of this Russia-Ukraine conflict, I think, would be USA. When USA engages into a conflict of this sort, who's the beneficiary? It is the military-industrial complex of USA. It is one of the major factors which propels USA government to wage a war. So they are using their military might as an instrument of policy for their domination.